Welcome to our review of the Nfnoyp dish drying rack, a space-saving and multifunctional kitchen essential. Featuring a two-tier design, it maximizes counter space by up to 30% while holding various kitchenware like plates, bowls, and wine glasses. Made from heavy-duty carbon steel with a rust-proof coating, this rack offers durability and easy cleaning for long-lasting use. The automatic drainage system includes a rotatable water outlet that directs excess water straight into your sink. Assembly requires no tools, and all accessories, including utensil and cup holders, are detachable for customized use. Rubber-covered legs provide stability and prevent slipping during use. Plus, customer support is available to help with any installation or product questions you may have. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.